Hi, this is Lauren Cotton with the Licata Group, Keller Williams Capital Properties. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of 512 Monticello Circle, located in Lake of the Woods, Virginia. This adorable home has 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths and lots of updates. As we're walking into this home, you can see the stone accents on the front. Cute little flower bed in the front. Definitely pride of ownership with this home. It's a little porch area. We gotta be quick. There's some little baby birds over there sleeping. All right, gonna walk in. And as soon as you walk in, you can see the beautiful hardwood floors. Lots of natural light coming into the home. And it opens right up to the stone fireplace. Let me sneak around the chairs. That way you can see the stone fireplace. It goes all the way up to the 2nd floor. It's beautiful. So this is your living room. I'm gonna slide over here. You can see the eat-in kitchen, dining area. Opens up to the kitchen. It's a nice sized pantry here. Just gonna give you a quick peek so you can see it. Updated countertops. All stainless steel appliances. You can see the gas stove. Who doesn't like a gas stove? The cabinets up top are open, so you can see through them. Then you have a nice island bar area with a separate little sink. From the kitchen, we're gonna walk around where the living room is. Just want to give you a quick peek of the loft area upstairs. We'll run up there in just a minute. We're going to go back around. We'll walk out on the deck real quick. Lots of trees in the back, and this deck does wrap all the way back around to where the kitchen is. So plenty of room for the grill, hammock. And there's also a screened-in porch there as well. So now we're going to come back in. You can see living room, kitchen. We're going to walk into the master bedroom. And they have the master decorated beautifully. You have your walk-in closet there. And then making most of the space, there is a small closet that runs underneath the stairs. All right, I'm gonna walk you back into the master bath. Look at this gorgeous master bath. You have the double vanities, separate soaking tub, stand-up shower, and it looks so cute. Walking out from the master bath, I'm just gonna peek in real quick to the screened-in porch. So perfect place to relax, unwind, have a cup of coffee, glass of wine. And now we are gonna walk back out. And we're gonna go back down that hallway. I'm gonna just peek my head in real quick and show you how big this bedroom is. Both bedroom 2 and bedroom 3 have walk-in closets. Just so you have an idea of how much closet space this house has. There's the hallway bathroom, separate shower, soaking tub, and there's a single vanity. We're gonna walk back into the first bedroom. Lots of light in this bedroom. And again, there's a walk-in closet in this bedroom as well. All right, on the other side, that's where the laundry room is. Super cute. Nice big laundry room. There's just some storage shelves behind the closet. They added the curtain just to try to hide some of the storage stuff. And then you have the door leading out to the garage. Just peek our head in there real quick. You can see how big it is. Plenty of room for 2 cars and storage. All right, now we're just gonna walk up the stairs real quick. The loft, 4th bedroom, and 3rd bathroom are located up here. So you can kind of get an idea of the size of this room. You come up the steps. It is very big. She's using it as a craft area right now. But the room also wraps around to the other side of the steps. And you can see just your view down from the loft area. That stone fireplace, those huge windows. All right, I'm gonna turn you back around. Take a look at the 4th bedroom. This one has a large walk-in closet as well. So you have 4 bedrooms with 4 walk-in closets. What's not to love? Then I'll peek you into the 3rd full bath. Single vanity. So I just entered this bathroom from the 4th bedroom, but you can see there's a separate door that goes back out to the loft area. So that is 512 Monticello Circle in Lake of the Woods, Virginia. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.